Here we are at Google. It's Learnfest in the city. Tonight's all about decoding digital.
We did some really cool activities. Mainly it was around L&D and the digital side and how we use technology. It's been really inspiring talking to other people that do the same thing as me, but also facing similar challenges as me as well. So that's been really, really good.
At Sony, we're interested in using technology in new ways. It's almost as if we're on the cusp. Yeah, everyone's been talking about digital and online learning for a long time. I think we're finally getting there with some of the breakthroughs that we've had in technology. We have to try it out, we have to learn from that, experiment, and then get it right.
At Co-op, digital learning is really important to us and taking it forward with looking at the digital strategy for learning. And we're working on such a technical thing, always looking and trying to put the people element into it, rather than just being about tech and process.
Digital in Ferrero, I would say, is the new direction. People are at the center, and the digital tool should be kind of an enabler of, the conversation, the networking going on, and the knowledge to flow and learn.
I think there's so much more that we can do to grow the way people learn. Technology has long surpassed what's possible. Having some way for people to actually get micro-learnings at the right time, right prompts at the right time, learn from each other more, to start to learn in new ways how to learn and create that new learning.
So we've had a brilliant night here at Google. As technology develops, there's even more emphasis on the human connection.